Cables everywhere, tangled mess in my bag. I used to carry 3 chargers and a handful of cords just to keep my phone, laptop, and tablet alive on the go. But that's changed because I've been testing the brand new Baseus EnerCore Series. These are chargers, power banks, and even travel adapters, all designed for fast, reliable charging without the cable chaos. The slogan says it all: stay tangle free, stay on the go. Let me show you why this lineup is a game changer. Let's start with the Baseus EnerCore CJ11 fast charger. This 67-watt charger is compact but powerful enough to handle a laptop, phone, and tablet. What makes it special? It's engineered for efficiency, using Baseus cooling tech so it stays cool even during fast charging. Perfect for home, work, or travel. Speaking of travel, check out the Baseus EnerCore CG11 Universal Travel Adapter. This thing works in over 200 countries and can charge up to 6 devices at once, laptops included. It has safety features like dual fuses and a lock-in plug design, so it won't come loose in foreign outlets. If you're like me and travel a lot, this is a must-have. Okay, so chargers are great at home or at hotel, but what about when you're completely on the move? That's where the Energiq GR11 power bank comes in. This beast packs 20,000 mAh of capacity and pushes up to 140 watts of output, enough to charge a laptop almost as fast as a wall adapter. It even has a display so I can see exactly how much battery I've got left. If you prefer something smaller, there's the Pico Go AM31 and AM41 magnetic power banks, both 5,000 mAh and super slim for quick ups on the go. And those who need extra capacity, the AM41 QI2 doubles that with 10,000 mAh and faster 27-watt wireless charging. These are perfect for commuting, long days out, or travel when outlets aren't guaranteed. This is one of my favorites. This is called the Baseus EnerFill, and it's a 3-in-1 wireless charging station. Simply place it on your nightstand, and it charges your phone wirelessly, your watch, your earbuds, whatever it may be. And it also has a cooling option as well. Simply press this button, and the cooling fan starts. Really neat. What I love about the entire EnerCore lineup is that it's built for real life. Work, travel, and everything in between. Instead of a tangled mess of cables and bulky chargers, I've now got a clean, portable setup that's ready for anything. So if you're looking for smarter, faster, and clutter-free charging, check out the Baseus EnerCore Series. From the CG11 charger to the GR11 power bank to the G11 travel adapter and the compact Pico Go magnetic banks. Stay tangle-free, stay on the go.